everybody, I'm Shubhangi Das and currently I'm studying in the third semester of Bachelor's of Design program at NIFT Daman. So as soon as our summer vacation started, I started learning more skills on Photoshop and Procreate and started practicing them every day so that I could build more on them. Since we were taught a little bit about them in our first and second semester, moreover I started learning about surface embellishments and block printing, and then started doing tie and dye with a lot of fabrics. And in most of my free time, I would take scrap fabrics like denim and other fabrics and would make something out of them which could be used in our daily lives, like a tote bag or something. And I had planned of retailing, but then I couldn't go for it much. So this is what I had done in my summer vacation. Yeah, and that was lovely, and I would love to thank NIFT Daman for giving me all the skills that I had learned. Moreover, I also did something which I love really, is some crocheting and knitting on macrame. And I continued doing that in my entire summer vacation. Thank you so much.